What up, everybody? It's Lil Mike and FUNNYBONE. We're about to show you how to redeem a CDbaby download card.
We released a lot of albums on CDbaby. Our latest, Beat of the Drum, was nominated Best Hip Hop Album of the Year.
The first thing you're gonna need is a download card. Here's what the front of a CDbaby download card looks like. It's gonna have the name of the artist, a picture of the album, and the album name, and in big honking letters, download card. On the other side of the download card, you will find a code which is 12 characters separated by a hyphen. Sometimes the I's look like ones or the other way around. It gives you a web address to go to, www.cdbaby.com/redeem. When you go to the website, this is what you should see. Redeem download cards. You're going to type in the characters from the download card and then press redeem card. The next screen says my cart. It should show a picture of the item you're about to download. Now click checkout. Now before you can download it, CDbaby wants you to create a customer account. So click on I'm a new customer unless you already have a CDbaby account. On this page, it says create your CDbaby.com account. You can sign in through those social medias on the right, but it's just going to be the same as putting in your information on the left side. I'll choose the Facebook option. Now all it did was type in my first name, my last name, and my email address. Now just add your password and press register. After you register, it says review your order. It shows the item, the description, and the price of the digital download. Go ahead and click place order. Now it says order confirmation. Thanks for redeeming your download card. Just click download. Now they want to know how you want to download. You gotta select a file type. You can either pick MP3, MP3-320, or FLAC. We just use MP3. Now the zip file should be downloading to your computer. When the album has downloaded, go ahead and open it and extract the files to be placed on phones or drives. Or there might be an app that can extract from a zip file. After the downloading process, you should get an email from CDbaby letting you know that you just downloaded the album. You should also get a receipt or a confirmation from CDbaby showing that you downloaded the album without paying anything. And if you plan to actually purchase an album while still on CDbaby, we thank you for your support. Thanks for watching. We're Lil Mike and FUNNYBONE. Hit that like, subscribe to our channel, or post a comment. Shoot, go crazy. Do all of that.